What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, Dad Gamer TV. Today we're going to be building the Arcade1up Mortal Kombat 2 Legacy Edition, even though it didn't come with the light-up marquee, but that's okay. I got it at Walmart. My son Raiden helped me. He thought it was cool because Raiden's on the side of the arcade, and yes, I named my son after my favorite Mortal Kombat character. Don't judge me. This thing was super easy to build. I lowered the power on my drill so that way I don't strip the screws, but that ended up happening anyway because the screws are made out of like aluminum foil type material, but that's okay. This thing is super dope. I love it, love playing it. My son finally is into Mortal Kombat, even though he didn't want anything to do with Mortal Kombat, but now that I have the arcade, he just wants to play Mortal Kombat all the time, and I'm such a proud dad for that moment. It's pretty loud. The speakers bump. This thing is awesome, super high quality, even though it felt flimsy, some flimsy parts here and there, but it all came together really good. Again, this is my very first Arcade1up. I've been on the fence about buying one of these, but I finally pulled the trigger and I'm happy with my decision, man. I can't wait to add more to the basement, but then again, you know, Dad Gamer TV, it's in the name. I have kids. That means my friends have kids, which means their friends, their kids come over the house, and we all know how other kids don't give a shit about anybody else's things. So I'm gonna maybe wait a little longer to like really load up the basement because I got a lot of room down there, and we'll see what the wife says. Hopefully she gives me the green light. Maybe I'll keep up my chores and I'll be able to get some more. I love how this comes with Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3, but the other 9 games that come with are pretty, you know, low ball games, Joust, Bubble, straight up Atari quality games. But I mean, Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3, that's pretty much all I needed on there. I didn't need any of those other ones, but you know, I'll take them in case, you know, I get bored, but that probably won't be happening. I did see Killer Instinct, the new Terminator 2 one coming out. That one has me excited. But for now, this thing is awesome. The kids love playing it. But yeah, super happy with my decision to buy one of these. Now I feel like I'm hooked and I want to get some more. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Hit me up, Dad Gamer TV, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I think that's it. I don't know. But like, share, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, comment, what else? All that other fun stuff. Peace out.